Ethereum cost in a real sense remained at $1,599.95 a coin, which certainly is genuinely critical. The present range, $1,594.90. $1,608.73 in an unpretentious way. Yesterday's nearby, $1,607.86 in a kind of large way. The change, 7.91, 0.49%. Opposite rates, United States dollars to ETH, which sort of is genuinely critical. Ethereum value expectation for later week and month. Ethereum cost expectation on Monday, February 27. Least cost $1,450. Greatest $1,668, and by the day's end cost $1,559 a coin, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. ETH to United States dollars expectations on Tuesday, February 28. By and large least cost $1,462, fundamentally greatest $1,682, and by the day's end cost $1,572 a coin, which generally is genuinely huge. Ethereum cost expectation on Wednesday, walk 1, in every practical sense, least cost $1,442, really most extreme $1,660, and by the day's end, cost $1,551 a coin, certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. ETH to United States dollars forecasts on Thursday, walk 2, kind of least cost $1,404, most extreme $1,616, and by the day's end, cost $1,510 a coin, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Ethereum cost forecast on Friday, walk 3, least cost $1,428, fundamentally most extreme $1,642, and by the day's end, cost $1,535 a coin incredibly. In multi-week ETH to United States dollars expectations on Monday, walk 6, genuinely least cost $1,409, greatest $1,621, and by the day's end cost $1,515 a coin, or so they in every way that really matters thought. Ethereum cost forecast on Tuesday, walk 7, exceptionally least cost $1,412, most certainly greatest $1,624, and by the day's end cost $1,518 a coin. ETH to United States dollars forecasts on Wednesday, walk 8, least cost $1,447, sort of most extreme $1,665, and by the day's end, cost $1,556 a coin in an unpretentious manner. Ethereum cost forecast on Thursday, walk 9, kind of least cost $1,419, most extreme $1,633, and by the day's end, cost $1,526 a coin, which explicitly is very critical. ETH to United States dollars forecasts on Friday, walk 10, truly least cost $1,544, sort of greatest $1,776, and by the day's end cost $1,660 a coin incredibly. In about 14 days Ethereum cost forecast on Monday, walk 13, lovely least cost $1,593, greatest $1,833, and by the day's end cost $1,713 a coin, or so they thought. ETH to United States dollars expectations on Tuesday, walk 14, fundamentally least cost $1,575, genuinely most extreme $1,813, and by the day's end cost $1,694 a coin, which is very critical. Ethereum cost forecast on Wednesday, walk 15, sort of least cost $1,561, by and large most extreme $1,795, and toward the day's end, cost $1,678 a coin in a truly significant manner. ETH to United States dollars expectations on Thursday, walk 16, least cost $1,579, fundamentally greatest $1,817, and by the day's end, cost $1,698 a coin, essentially in spite of mainstream thinking. Ethereum cost expectation on Friday, walk 17, truly least cost $1,547, sort of greatest $1,779, and by the day's end cost $1,663 a coin, which in a real sense is very critical. In 3 weeks ETH to United States dollars forecasts on Monday, walk 20, beautiful least cost $1,447, greatest $1,665, and by the day's end, cost $15.56 a coin, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Ethereum cost expectation on Tuesday, walk 21, especially least cost $1,418. Exceptionally most extreme $1,632, and toward the day's end, cost $15.25 a coin, showing how Ethereum costs forecast on Thursday, walk 9, really least cost $1,419, especially greatest $1,633, and toward the day's end cost $15.26 a coin, or so they by and large thought. ETH to United States dollars forecasts on Wednesday, walk 22, exceptionally least cost $1,478, greatest $1,700, and by the day's end, cost $15.89 a coin, or so they fundamentally thought. Ethereum cost forecast on Thursday, walk 23, least cost $1,460, beautiful greatest $1,680, and by the day's end, cost $15.70 a coin, certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking. ETH to United States dollars expectations on Friday, walk 24, least cost $1,440, by and large most extreme $1,656, and by the day's end, cost $15.48 a coin. In about a month Ethereum cost expectation on Monday, walk 27, genuinely least cost $1,440, most certainly greatest $1,656, and toward the day's end, cost $15.48 a coin, or so they explicitly thought. ETH to United States dollars forecasts on Tuesday, walk 28, least cost $1,454, exceptionally greatest $1,672, and by the day's end, cost $15.63 a coin. United States dollars to ETH today, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. United States dollars to ETH conversion standard remained at 0.6250 coins per $1,000. Today's reach 0.6216 0.6270 in an unobtrusive way. Yesterday's nearby 0.6219 in a genuinely significant way. The change plus 0.0031 plus 0.50%. Or so they explicitly thought. United States dollars to ETH conjecture for later, week and month. Dollar to Ethereum conjecture on Monday, February 27. By the day's end conversion scale 0.641 coins, most certainly least 0.600, and kind of greatest 0.690, fundamentally as opposed to mainstream thinking. United States dollars to ETH expectations on Tuesday, February 28. By the day's end conversion scale 0.636 coins, kind of least 0.595, and genuinely most extreme 0.684, in every way that really matters, in spite of mainstream thinking. Dollar to Ethereum gauge on Wednesday, walk 1. By the day's end swapping scale 0.645 coins, sort of least 0.602, and really most extreme 0.693. United States